Welcome back to my YouTube channel Local Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 chapter number 28 Data Handling Exercise 28B question 7. In Mr. Sharma's office there are 25 employees. Each employee travels to work every morning in his or her own car. The distribution of the driving times in minutes from home to office for employee shown in the table below, right? They have shown the table, they have shown driving time in minutes, and they have shown the number of employees, right? The mean of the driving times is what? They have asked us the mean and options are given to us. Fine. So we have to calculate the mean of this data. Is that very clear? And if you look at the data, you can see it is a grouped frequency distribution where you can see the class intervals. It is being represented by the driving time in minutes, and the number of employees here you can see are representing the frequency of the class. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, this thing here, this is your F. Okay, F, right? X is what? Class mark. Okay, that we will calculate, don't worry, right? So let's make the table again, right? We will be having one column here, right? And then we'll be having one column here as well, right? That will be the frequency, and then we'll be having the class marks here. Fine. And the last column here, this will be F into X. Okay, right? Okay, let me just join them together. So this will be our table that you need. Okay, now this is not needed, and here also. This will be the driving time, right? Driving time. This will be number of employees, right? Employees. Okay, this is basically frequency, so I will write down F. Here we will have the class marks, right? And here we will have, this is class marks, that is denoted by X, and here the product of frequency and class mark Fx, right? We all know the formula sigma Fx upon sigma F, right? That will be used here to calculate the mean. Okay, now you have the driving time. Let's write that down. You have 0 to 10. Right, there are 5 class intervals given to us. This is 0 to 10. The number of employees, it is 3. Okay, 3, and class mark will be 10 plus 0 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2, 5. Frequency into the class mark will be 15, right? You have 3 into 5, 15. Okay, okay. Or let me just shift it a little bit here, because we need a hundreds digit place as well, right? Now you have the next class, that is 10 to 20, and the number of employees there is 10. Class mark will be 10 plus 20 upon 2. 10 plus 20 upon 2 is 30. 30 upon 2, that is 15. So class mark will become 15, and the product of these two will become 150. Okay, 150, right? And then you can see the next class interval 20. So the class interval is 20 to 30, and the number of employees is what? 6. So 6. Class mark 10 plus 20, 20 plus 30, that is 50. 50 upon 2, that is 25. 25 into 6, this is 0 and 3 there, so 150 again. Fine. Now you have 30 to 40. What is the number of employees in this class? The driving time, right? For these employees, that is 4. Class mark 40 plus 30, 70. 70 upon 2, that is 35. 35 into 4 is 0 and 2 there, so 140, right? 140, 140. And 50 to 40 is the last class interval. Sorry, 40 to 50 is the last class interval. And here the frequency, or the number of employees rather, it is 2. 40 plus 50, 90 upon 2, 45. 45 into 2 is 90, 90. Now all are done. You can sum up the number of employees because it is in the frequency column, and you can sum up the F into X column also. Why? Because the formula only says that the mean is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. Clear? Let's add up them and let's see what do I get. So first we'll do this column. 3 plus 6 9 plus 4 13 plus 2 15 and 1 carried over, 1 plus 1 2 25. Okay, and here 5 and all 0, so 5 here, 5 5 10 and 1 and 4 5 again, so 15 and 9 again, that is 24 and 2 carried over, so 3 plus 2 545. So 545 here and 25 there. Now put them and solve. So you will have 545 upon 25. If I cancel this by 5, this will go 5 times, this will go 1 and 9 times, 109 times, right? And now I can just divide this by 5. You have 109 upon 5. Yes, what is that? You can divide and check. Minus 10 2 times, bring that 9 down, minus 5, this is 4, 1, increase 1 0 and the decimal point, so minus 40, this will be 8 times, so 21.8, right here, sorry, this is 0, right? 21.8 becomes the mean of the driving time, and option B is correct, 21.8 minutes. Alright, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like in this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.